Have you ever hooked up with someone and instantly regretted it? ये तो मैं कट कर दूंगी.
And you're like constantly fighting and I'm like, Pradeep. How are we doing today? I'm sorry for the echo. Hold on. Is it better now? I mean, yeah, it probably is. Anyway, even though it's a Saturday, we still have a lot of stuff to do. Starting with, I have to get a photo shoot done for Vestigia, जो कि हमारी new collection है. We're launching that on Amazon and our website. And there's this specific sort of picture that you need to click for Amazon. जिसमें आपका like white background होना चाहिए. So I actually already got it clicked, right? And then I submitted it, and my designer was like, "Bitch, that is one of the ugliest pictures I've ever seen. Go get it clicked again." And I'm like, sure. So now I am going again. और मैं दोबारा उतने ही पैसे दूंगी सेम फोटो के लिए. क्यों? You may ask. Because जो कटोरी थी वो इधर होनी चाहिए थी और मैंने इधर रख दी. But you gotta do what you gotta do. If I want to build a good brand, तो मुझे उसकी एक एक चीज़ परफेक्ट करनी पड़ेगी. और ये बात मैं अपने आप को तसल्ली देने के लिए सिखा रही हूँ क्योंकि मेरा मन तो ये करता है कि मैं अपना गला ही काट लूँ. Because sometimes I'm not going to lie, it gets too much and I want to quit it. क्या? नहीं इधर नहीं, नीचे. हाँ. So there was a random मिस्त्री in my room. ये तो बात ये है कि अब मुझे जाना है शूट करना. मेरा बिल्कुल अकेले मन नहीं करता है ये सब बोरिंग काम करने का. तो हम टेकिंग लक्षता विद मी एंड इट्स 11:30 in the morning और वो फिर भी मेरे साथ चलेगी. This is what you have to deal with if you are my bestie. Sometimes I just fucking cringe myself out, bro. Let's go. Let me give you a fit check. Adam Sandler, what are you doing here? Let me put some perfume. मेरी गाड़ी में फिर से 0 पेट्रोल है. 0 अंडा. लुक एट दिस भाई. तो पहले अब मुझे पेट्रोल भरवाने जाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि इसमें इतना, आई होप इसमें इतना पेट्रोल हो कि मैं पेट्रोल स्टेशन तक, पेट्रोल पंप, पेट्रोल स्टेशन, गैस स्टेशन, मुझे नहीं पता, मैं वहाँ तक पहुँच जाऊँ. क्योंकि एक बार पहले भी हो चुका है कि मेरा भाई गाड़ी लेके गया था, बिल्कुल 0 पेट्रोल करके ले आया था और मैं मार्केट तक पहुंची अपने घर की और मतलब अपनी सेक्टर की, और वहाँ पे पहुंचते ही बूम गाड़ी बंद. और फिर मेरे पापा को लेके आना पड़ा था. मेरे को अपने पापा से बहुत डर लगता है. उनको लगता है चूतिया लड़की एक काम भी ठीक से नहीं कर सकती, जबकि मैं बहुत सारे काम ठीक से कर रही हूँ. बट आई गेस दैट्स जस्ट हाउ आवर पेरेंट्स थिंक, और मे बी माइन, आई डोंट नो. ओके लेट्स गो पिक लक्षता. शी लिव्स लाइक 1 minute अवे फ्रॉम मी. हाय बोल मेरे ब्लॉग को.
हाय.
नहीं 2000 पापा ने दिए. लड़ाई चल रही है. Now I think I need to get ready to go meet Pariti because she's almost here and I am late. A few days back I was checking my comments like I usually do. I saw somebody asked questions about skin, okay? And then someone else commented saying that हल्दी में, चीनी में, कॉफ़ी डालोगे, आप इसमें दही डालोगे, बेसन डालोगे, पता नहीं क्या क्या, तो आपका जो भी आई थिंक पिंपल है, आप जो भी रेड मार्क है वो चला जाएगा. ठीक है. तो I was like, no, I have said this so many times that every skin is different. पहली बात तो stop DIYing. The reason why it worked earlier was because we were kids, okay? And हमारी skin already बहुत अच्छी थी. तो कुछ भी आप DIY करते थे तो वो साफ करके आपको बस it actually just worked as a face wash or a scrub. But now I wouldn't recommend, especially if you have like acne prone skin or like, you know, there's active breakouts on your skin. I personally follow this. So do one thing, download this app called Cure Skin. It'll ask for your pictures, upload your pictures. It'll diagnose whatever is, you know, wrong with your face, breakouts, acne, everything. And then it'll suggest you like a few products. I use the products religiously. I've just made it a part of my routine, and all these products you'll get in 20 to 100 rupees. And it's not just the products you are getting, you are also getting doctor's consultation. First of all, behind the whole operation there are dermats, so you don't need to worry about this thing. I've never even read like a bad review. I've just heard people say that it's worked for them, and also that 98% of users have, by the way I'm using their sunscreen, 98% of their users have seen like results in 3 weeks, which is crazy. I also use it. I can confirm confirm that. Anyway, so in 2200 rupees, you are getting a Dermat suggested skincare. You are getting your skin analysis done. You also get like a free consultation with doctors. In 20 days, they'll remind you, that hey, it's time for a consultation, and then you go and get it checked by the doctor. You can also update that, आपने ये use करना शुरू किया, आपको ये suit किया, and not only that, the nutritionist behind the whole scene, they will provide a diet plan according to your body. So I think in 2200 rupees, if you're getting so much stuff, then it's a crazy deal. If you ask me what my favorite product is, it is this Barrier Restructure Cream. I use this day and night. Like, it's very good. This is my second bottle, by the way. I also use the sunscreen a lot. You can tell only. And I'm sure you've seen me use it in my vlogs multiple times. Anyway, if you guys are interested, I will have the app link, and I also have this coupon code for you. I'll mention it in my comment section and my description. So if you are interested, you should go check it out. Give me a break. Say hi.
Vlogging this? What's the next video?
बहन है, she's married to a French guy. Hi, I realize that you guys haven't really seen my family, and this is Matai, and she's talking to somebody on phone. So, मैं अभी परिधि से मिलके आई थी, तो मुझे ये लोग नीचे मिल गए. For some context, they live in the house right next to me, तो हम like more and all एक बहुत बड़ी joint family साथ में ही रहते हैं. And yeah, so now I was chilling with us, so I thought I should record it because I'm showing you how my day looks. ये mic लो, इसमें कुछ बोलो, मतलब वहाँ पे देख के क्या बोलो. हाय हेलो, इतनी दूर बैठे हुए भी आप हेलो परफेक्ट आवाज़ आएगी. आप कुछ पंजाबी में बोलो, जैसे मेरे को मेरे व्यूअर्स बोलते हैं कि मैं पंजाबी में बात नहीं करती.
तू कित्थों आई है?
देखा
कहाँ से आई है?
मेरे को पता है ताई पंजाबी.
हाँ.
मैं लंच करन गई सी.
अच्छा, किधर नाल?
मैं गई सी परिधि दे नाल.
अच्छा अच्छा.
देखा, आती है मुझे पंजाबी. अभी आपको ज़्यादा नहीं, सिर्फ 50,000 लोग देख रहे हैं.
ऑनलाइन है?
नहीं, नॉर्मल वीडियो है. मेरे घर पे स्पॉट्स तो हैं अच्छे फिट चेक के लिए, पर आप कह सकते हो कि मैं आलसी हूँ. We went to eat और ये बच गया था, तो मैं घर ले आई. Oh my beautiful puppy! Oh, look at how fucking golden he looks in the sun. इधर आ. ये मेरे पीछे पीछे घूमता रहता है. I got these new चप्पल. ओए हटना यार. ओए हटना यार. ओए बेवकूफ. I got these new चप्पल from H&M. मैं खींच रहा है भाई. Oh, thanks for the. ओए भाई मेरा पैर है भाई. ओए. This is like my बचपन की अलमारी जिसको हमने शू रैक बना दिया था. I have my school's admin number here, and if you look closely, I've written breed golden retriever. बचपन के है like 4th 5th, क्योंकि मुझे golden retriever चाहिए था. I was like money 9,000. I don't know कौन 9,000 में मुझे कुत्ता दे रहा था. Needed 5,000, so I had 4K in savings, and I've written name and picture. और अभी तक हमने डिसाइड नहीं किया था. और ये है बेवकूफ़.
ये बेवकूफ़ कुत्ता हमने ले लिया. हमें बड़ा गंदा कुत्ता मिला है. प्लीज़ इसके कोई कुत्ता हमें और मिल जाए एक्सचेंज के लिए तो बहुत बढ़िया होगा.
My room looks so peaceful at this hour because मैं नहीं होती हूँ यहाँ पे. And look at the sort of light I get. और जब भी मैं story time बना रही होती हूँ, you guys see this, right? कि मैं यहाँ बैठ रही होती हूँ, and this is what I see. Like not this, but like open it, and yeah. Actually परिधि और मेरी ना थोड़ी लड़ाई हो गई थी. थोड़ी नहीं, बहुत ज़्यादा. पिछले हफ्ते, बिकॉज उसका बर्थडे नहीं, उसने अपनी बर्थडे पार्टी अपने बर्थडे के नेक्स्ट वीकेंड करी थी. आई हैड गॉन फॉर अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग लाइक अ शूट इवेंट सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग, जिसमें सुबह लगा लो 10 बजे से रात के 10 बजे तक आई हैड टू बी देयर. ओके, सो आई कुडंट ऑब्वियसली मेक इट टू हर पार्टी, एंड देन शी वाज मैड एट मी, एंड शी'd be mad at me, so I didn't call her after that. I thought that, listen, let me finish my work and then I'll call her. And then she was like mad at me because I didn't come, and she says that she's mad because I didn't call, but I know that she's really just mad because I didn't come. तब वो कवर अप करने के लिए बोल रही थी कि यू डिडंट इवन कॉल मी, यू नो, कि सॉरी परिधि मैं आई नहीं तेरी पार्टी पे. एंड मेरे को आई वाज लाइक, इफ आई फकिंग कॉल हर राइट नाउ, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई do not like arguing with friends, okay, because you guys, you know me. It's like me fighting with you guys, right? मेरा बिल्कुल मन नहीं था, but because I was so frustrated and I had so much work, and you guys so know that my second last vlog जो भी मैंने डाला है उसमें मैं इतनी ज़्यादा दुखी थी. It's because I have like a lot of stress अभी. तो I was like, I don't want to call her right now because I know it's going to be a fight. क्योंकि मैं बहुत गुस्से में हूँ, वो कुछ बोल देगी तो मैं उल्टा बोल दूँगी, और मैंने बोला तो वो तो मेरे से गुस्सा है. So I didn't call her. Okay, I thought I'd call her later. And then 3-4 days go by and I text her, okay, on the group जो मेरा Freya और परिधि का है, and she wasn't like replying to me. I was like, bro, why you acting like I cheated on you or something? And she was like, Priyanshi? And then we started fighting, and she was like saying stuff like, you know, oh, you didn't call, lol, something. And I was like, lol? Don't rage bait me. And then she was like, then rage. और हमारी फिर proper लड़ाई हो गई. And Freya was just there in the middle, and then she said that she felt like a child of divorce. And then we fought a lot, and we were like constantly fighting. And I'm like, Pradhi, मैं तुझे बोल रही हूँ, मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है, अभी मुझे rage bait मत कर. And she was like, you didn't fucking call me, you're so selfish. And I'm like, I am not selfish. I didn't have a time. I didn't have a single second to breathe. And it's not like मैं तेरे को एक बार call करती तो 15 सेकंड में call खत्म हो जाती. You would have wanted to talk for at least 2 hours, and I did not have that much time. And she was like, what? Me asking for your time is BT. I was like, no, you can ask for my time whenever, but right now I don't have time to even finish my meals. I'm sorry I didn't call you. Anyway, so that was the whole scene. And then in the middle of fighting, she video calls me. But now the thing about me is that I cannot possibly fight face to face unless it's with a stranger. अब दोस्तों के साथ मैं हंस देती हूँ. So she called me and laughed. I was like, why are you fighting with me, bro? And she was like, you know, she was upset, and then I understand that I didn't call, so of course she's upset, and it's like I acted like a fuck boy. But then I told her that you need to understand that first of all I wouldn't have been able to make it. Even if I did try, मैं रात के 11 बजे फरीदाबाद टू गुड़गांव आ रही होती है, तो मुझे इस रोड से आना पड़ता. Would have been a lot of inconvenience for me. और फिर हमारा मिलने का प्लान बन रहा था. बट लेकिन क्योंकि मैं इतनी ज़्यादा बिजी हूँ, आई थिंक आई विल बी वेरी बिजी टिल दिवाली. एंड देन शी वाज गोइंग समवेयर, और उसके बीच में फरीदाबाद आ रहा था. सो शी वाज लाइक, यू नो व्हाट, लेट्स मीट. एंड देन वी मेट, एंड देन वी हग्ड, एंड वी वर लाइक, ओके, आई सेड परिधि सॉरी बोल. एंड देन आई रेज बेटेड हर. या इट वाज फाइन. नाउ आई वांट टू गो हैव द पैड थाई. मेरा कुत्ता ही क्या कर रहा है.
Oh my beautiful onion! What are you doing?
Let's see how the haunted house looks like right now. Doesn't it just give the vibe as a haunted house would? Like, whatever's there may stay there. If you guys have watched my ghost in my house video, then you know that I said कि I was sitting in my gazebo, like this area, ठीक है, और मुझे साइड वाला घर जो मेरी ताई का घर है जहाँ पे मैं अभी थी, like you see this wall, मुझे इस वॉल पे, let me zoom in, इस वॉल पे I literally saw like a figure of like basically it was like a shadow जो यहाँ से ऐसे चलते चलते भाग के वहाँ जा रही थी. And I literally saw जैसे as if it's like a human, like a shadow, that's all, like a shadow like running. And then मैं फट गई थी और मैं अंदर आ गई थी. Another thing, I need to sort my closet. Like everything is literally everywhere, and also all these dresses I'm never gonna wear them again. So I was thinking कि मेरा Christmas tree पड़ा है पीछे. I was thinking if I should like thrift them, like maybe I can upload it somewhere, or जब भी मैं next like maybe a pop-up something where, or maybe I just give, you guys can just take it, like I don't just take my dresses because मैं कभी नहीं पहनूंगी दोबारा. बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जो मैं ऐसे ले लेती थी, पर लेकिन फिर मेरा मन ही नहीं करता था. You can see me, it's so weird, no? It's like parallels. Anyway, the next day, and I woke up, I just uploaded a video on YouTube. तो मैं थोड़ा उसकी editing करी थी, slide and record. गंदा सा rubber band लगा दिया है अपने बालों पे, newspaper वाला. By newspaper वाला I mean this. And after uploading my video, I went down to see what's there for food, and my parents were like, "Hey Queen, there's no food," because we were hoping that we'd go out. So I was like, "Okay, great, let's go out." मेरे बाल देखना, आपने थोड़े से कर्ल किए थे और मेरे 3 दिन से धोए भी नहीं है, तो उसका कर्ल अच्छा टिक चुका है. I also realized that I have not taken them out yet. मैं अपने आंटू पांटू चीज़ों पे उन पे पैसे खर्च कर देती हूँ, that I don't realize that I didn't really like take them out. अभी हम तो जा रहे हैं, I'll get them a nice lunch. पापा तो बाहर जाने को रेडी ही नहीं होते हैं. उनको तो लगता है बस अगर मैं बाहर चला गया तो पता नहीं कितना फालतू का खर्चा मैं करके आ जाऊँ. Like he just always worried about spending money, and I'm like, Queen, don't worry. So do I look like? Hey. हाय, इतनी गर्मी क्यों है? मैं तो अपने बाल बांध रही हूँ भाई. I just can't eat Indian food for some reason. I mean I eat it at home, but लेकिन जब मैं बाहर आती हूँ, it just fills me up so much. And a lot of people were asking me where I got this top from. It's from H&M, and I'll try linking it. And the thing is, if I link it and you buy it, I will get money. But I'm so lazy that I just don't want to link it. I'm back and I want to take a shower and then go somewhere. But all my friends are busy, so maybe I should just go alone. I wanted to go shopping, but then again I should save money. Also want to go out. It's literally 3 hours later. I thought that I would finish some editing, ठीक है, तो मैं वही कर रही थी क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा था कि even though it is Sunday, that's gonna make stuff easy for me only tomorrow. You know, sometimes I really consider moving out. I mean, I'll tell you the main reason why I can't move to Bangalore is because Vestigia की सारी production is here. I can't go क्योंकि मुझे मतलब मैं दिखाती नहीं हूँ, but लेकिन I go to the factory and I check on the Amazon packages and everything myself. A lot of times I even pack the packages myself, so I can't just like move with all these work commitments. So I do feel like moving out, but I can't, like at least the next 2 years. Sometimes I'm sad, you know, that I just want to be able to hang out with my boyfriend, because the thing is that I might not have felt this way if we didn't live together, but we literally lived under the same roof for 2 years, if not 2, like 1.5 years, and that's still like a lot of fucking time. Even though it's been like over a year of long distance, it's not easy. Like it's still like, I don't know. By the way, I didn't tell you we got ready because I am going shopping. Okay, I'm feeling a little bit sad, so I told my sister that, hey queen, it's time we leave. ये मेरे घर में दिए किसने जलाए हैं और ये मुझे दिवाली वाइब दे रहा है. Say hi.
Hi. The 16 Pro now. The big billion days.
Is it cheaper?
It should be cheaper. I get the GST payback also.
Or we could just steal it.
Huh?
We could just steal it.
From you?
Yeah. No, from this store. Maybe I could get this. I've been looking for a comfortable pair of jeans. कहाँ है भाई size इसका? I have literally filled my bag with only denim, like only jeans. So now I am looking for tops. Let's make a cute outfit. Okay, I'm officially in the trial room. Are we ready? Okay, let me just clear it that I am trying to build like a capsule wardrobe. If you don't know what that means, look it up. That basically means like having a lot of basics, like not having a lot of clothes, but being able to make a lot of outfits. I hope you can hear me. हमें यहाँ पे माइक नहीं लेके आई थी कि मुझे गाली मत देना. It's my prediction and I think that, भाई मेरे बालों को ignore करो. I think that off shoulders are going to be so back in fashion this fall. This is how it looks. It's a very basic one. I don't know if I love the ribbed, like you know, texture, and it's also a little loose. Like you see. Next I want to try these boot cut jeans. I think I need to change the top to see if I like it. So I also got like this black satin skirt. You can't see, but it's not full length. So it's like this. Like the only thing is that I'm telling you guys, I am very conscious about my calves. Yeah, I think I have very weirdly shaped calves. So, but I also feel like a dress. I don't have a skirt. And a skirt like picks up your outfit. And you need to tell me, okay, that what you like the best. Oh my god, I spend unnecessary money. Yeah. So then there's this green top. I don't know. Like, I don't know how much I like it. And what about these pants? मतलब ये top मैंने roll up किया हुआ है. It's like 5 sizes up so that मतलब it's supposed to be here, but I wanted it to fall.
Yeah, because I need a tripod. I've never seen them.
Intro दूंगी. मैं आ रही हूँ.
तो और कौन आएगा?
तो बेसिकली मैंने आप लोगों को अपने ब्रॉडकास्ट चैनल में बोला था कि मेरे से कुछ यस और नो क्वेश्चंस पूछो रैपिड फायर की तरह.
और हम तो नहीं है इसमें इंक्लूडेड बिकॉज वो लिखा हुआ है कि मतलब ऐसे जवाब है कि मतलब
नहीं, तू क्वेश्चन पूछ, मैं बस यस और नो बोलेंगे, ठीक है? 1 2 3 गो.
डिड प्रियांशी मेक आउट बिफोर टर्निंग लीगल?
यस.
ये तो मैं बता दी. Has Pratham ever made you jealous?
He's never made me jealous, but I was jealous, so yeah.
Did Pratham actually had a girlfriend when you had a crush on him?
No.
Have you ever got caught making out?
No.
Have you been cheated by your best friend?
No, ये नहीं.
ये करेंगी.
ये तो पढ़वा रहा हूँ.
Would you leave your best friend for your boyfriend?
No. अंदर से ही जो है जवाब. कृतिका पीछे से कुछ बोल नहीं रही, वो अपना गला ठीक कर रही है कि मेरी कोई आवाज गलत ना आ जाए. वो शाय है एक्चुअली.
नहीं तो जवाब दे सकती है. Would you leave your best friend for your boyfriend?
No.
अच्छा नो बोल दिया. Sorry, मैं तो जाने वाली थी गाड़ी से उतर के. Have you ever had a bi-curious era?
Yeah.
Okay.
पीछे से बोल रही है.
Hey girl, love you. So I'll ask this. Do you sometimes rewatch your old videos and regret life choices?
No.
Are you planning on doing postgraduate?
Yeah.
Do your parents know about Pratham bhai?
No. My mom knows. बस मेरे पापा को नहीं पता, वरना तो सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम हो जाता मेरा अभी तक.
Would you ever consider having a different name?
Yeah.
प्रियांशी.
Shana.
What?
Do you secretly enjoy it when
अलकनंदा.
Preeto.
रिम्पी.
Do you secretly enjoy it when someone gets jealous over you?
Not secretly, fully I enjoy it.
बहुत fully enjoy करने लग
Fully
गई.
I enjoy it. फिर मेरे को रेडिट पे हेट मिलने लग गया.
मैं चुप हो गई थी because I was not sure. Okay, have you ever had the most eye-opening friendship breakup?
Yeah.
Yeah.
वो-
मुझे याद आ गया. Sorry, मुझे याद आ गया.
हाँ फिर
Would you still be my favorite YouTuber if I caught you eating Maggie with ketchup?
भाई मैं क्यों खाऊंगी यार?
Ew.
I don't like that shit.
But you eat Maggie with aloo.
तो क्या हो गया फिर? आलू की सब्जी
घी
और
भी
मैं-
डालती है वो तो.
Oh.
बीच और
हाँ,
mountain.
जब मैं बनाती हूँ ना, ये जो तू बनाती है ना, ये बढ़िया बनाती है तू.
Well, I'm not
3
able to
पैकेट बना
understand
दे.
this, Kritika.
3 पैकेट बना दे, ये घर लेके जाऊंगी.
Okay to date a red flag if he's player, so you also play him. To talk to multiple guys at a time. To kiss a guy before relationship.
ये बात तो
Okay,
किसी
she
का
needs
तूने
a
तो
lot
नहीं
of
पूछी गई.
नहीं भाई.
इसने 4 क्वेश्चन पूछे हैं, so let's get down to it एक एक करके. Is it okay to date a red flag?
Yes. Don't date him. You can.
Explore. If he's player, so you also play him.
Yes. You can
To
do
talk
it.
to multiple guys at a time.
तेरी मर्जी है भाई.
To kiss a guy before relationship. Would you choose your business over YouTube?
No.
पापा को दिखा दे.
फोन मिला.
Have you ever fallen in love with someone else while being in a relationship with Pratham? No.
No bro.
Have you ever regretted uploading a video?
Yeah.
And love your videos.
I didn't regret it, but I thought I could have skipped it.
2 days before vacation, I broke up. Now on this trip, a guy falls madly for me. Should I risk it all and give him a chance?
Yeah.
Yeah.
घटिया एडवाइस. यहाँ से कूद जाओ, अपनी दोस्त को भी लेके जाओ.
If you had a chance to relive the worst memory, which taught you things, would you live it again?
No.
ये कैसा क्वेश्चन है भाई?
एक बार सीख लिया मैंने, बस बहुत है.
Have you ever
अब नहीं
ditched your
करेगा.
friend for a guy?
Have I
Have you ever ditched your friend for a guy?
Yeah.
Ever kissed a girl?
Yeah. Not like kissed, but like kissed.
Have you
पीछे से
have you ever had a physical fight with your close one?
ऐसे वीडियो में
Physical मारा थोड़ी है कभी एक दूसरे
एकम को मारा है मेरा भाई है जो. ओ एक बार प्रथम की भी गुद्दी ना. No, I haven't. I don't think.
I think एक बार ऐसे प्रियांशी ने मेरे को मजाक में थप्पड़ मारा था.
नहीं, वो कृतिका ने मुझे मारा था.
वापस मारा था.
बचपन में याद नहीं तूने? एक बार हम यहाँ पे स्कूटी पे खड़े थे तेरी, उन्होंने मुझे थप्पड़ मार दिया था वो 30 रुपए की चाउमीन खाने के बाद.
अबे चल.
हाँ, तेरे
हाँ,
मम्मी की कसम.
right.
क्यों? और मैं गुस्सा होकर पैदल जा रही थी और तूने बोला मैं स्कूटी पे छोड़ दी थी. मैंने बोला नहीं, मैं पैदल जाऊंगी. कोई बहुत फालतू की बात थी. हम एक दूसरे पे जैसे करते हैं गाली गलोच, तूने मुझे थप्पड़ मार दिया था.
हाँ, फिर ये बहुत वो हो गई थी और मैंने कहा अब मैं क्या करूँ?
किसके साथ जाऊँ?
मैं दिख रही हूँ कृतिका?
नहीं.
मैं ये बचपन की बात है ना, हम 8th-9th में थे.
Have you ever scored below 90% in school?
Always.
मेरे एक बार 0 आए थे. एक बार मैं कहानी बताती हूँ. एक बार हम मैथ्स का पेपर देने दे के आए तो मैं बाहर निकली. लक्ष्य मेरी मैथ्स मतलब एकदम, अगर मेरे 0.5 आएंगे तो इसके 0, मतलब मैं 0.5 बेटर थी. तो दे के आए. मैंने कहा यार मेरा तो बहुत ही गंदा गया. लक्ष्य का पूछती हूँ, ये खुश, इसका बहुत अच्छा गया था. ऐसे नई ट्यूशन ज्वाइन की थी वो हाकिम सर वाली. और फिर बाद में पेपर मिला लक्षता के 40 में से नहीं 50 में से 20. बहुत बड़ी बात है ये. मेरे 0 पहली बार और आके मुझे 0 मिला था. एनीवे हाँ, वैसे मेरी मैथ स्ट्रॉन्ग है. If you made it till here in the video, comment your favorite timestamp and I will know that you are a real one. Anyway, I will announce the giveaway winners in the next few days on my YouTube. If you think you're going to win it, stay alerted. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. I was just editing it and I realized I didn't make an outro, so that sucks. Anyway, I'll see you later. Bye.